Hi, my name is Jared Wright, owner of Absolute Mathematics. I am here to give you a brief tutorial on how to prepare for your virtual tutoring session. So the most important thing that I'm going to need you to do is to let me know what you're working on for our tutoring appointment. And what that's going to mean is just taking a picture of your textbook or your homework and sending that to me so I'm aware of what you're working on. So what you're going to do first is I will have sent you an email about how to get ready for this appointment, and it's going to have a link to a virtual session prep form. So you're going to go to that email on your smartphone. It's important that you use a smartphone because that phone is going to be what's used to actually fill out the form and take the picture. So you click on the email that I sent you, and then you're going to click on that link. Once you click on the link, the form will open up by itself, and then you are going to go down to the point where you have to upload the homework attachment. You're going to click on Attach File, and then you're going to select the files to upload. And this is going to be very similar to uploading a photo to like Instagram or Facebook. You're just going to click on your camera and then hold it over your textbook in order to take a picture. Make sure the picture is in good lighting. Now you can check it to make sure the photo isn't being cut off or blurry, and you click OK once you know it's good. And then you can even add more pictures, so you don't have to fill out the form multiple times. So I can upload another picture. I'm going to do a picture of this page of homework here. And so the same thing, make sure everything's in the shot, and then make sure it all looks okay before you press OK. All right, and that's it. You click upload, and after filling out the rest of the form, I will know exactly what you need to work on for our virtual tutoring appointment.
All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open up your email account and click on the email that I sent you, the virtual session prep form. Sometimes the link will be embedded in a picture or some text, but either way, it will look the same from here. Once you click on the link, the form will open up, and the first thing we'll do is you'll select the name of the student. All your names will be added before the tutoring appointment starts, so you should find your name in the list and go ahead and just select that. Next, you're going to click on your instructor. That is going to be multiple people. I have many instructors, so just find the name of the instructor who you're planning on working with. Next, you're going to select the subject. So obviously this is all math, but there are many different varieties of math that we may be doing our tutoring session on, so you're going to want to choose that first. Next is the primary topic, and this is just a very short sentence on how I can best help you on during this particular math tutoring session. Next, we already talked about what to do and how to add the homework document. So we're going to move on to what problems we need. So this is like if you're taking a picture of a textbook and it has a list of like problems 1 through 20, you want to indicate exactly which problems that you need help with. Now we're going to choose the priority. So this is just a way to tell me how urgent or how important is the topic that you need help with. For example, if it's a test, it's probably going to be something that's going to be more important. And finally, you're just going to add whatever comments that you might have at the end of this form. So that's pretty much it. You're just going to hit submit, and at that point, I will receive your form and know exactly how to help you for our tutoring appointment.
All right, so that is everything you need to know to get ready for your virtual tutoring session. I do want to emphasize that it is very, very important that you fill out this form every time before each session. All right, so if you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact me. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay positive.